forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello guys, mag-flex lang tayo ng aking souvenir t-shirt na binili for my next year vacation. So right now I'm starting buying some giveaway for my vacation. So this is it guys, I buy a 5 t-shirt souvenir na may sulat na Hong Kong. So this is it, pink color, and then the white is have design like this. I love Hong Kong. Later we open it that because I want to see the size. Is it big or small? And then this one, the design, I choose 3 colors. Black because black is very common when you wear it for the t-shirt. Mostly my t-shirt is all black, so I choose 3 black color. The same, the 2 size is the same design, and then one is different. So only this style have size that double XXL because it's the size is not American size. This is Hong Kong, so I choose it XXL because the size of this t-shirt is quite a bit small. So I'm going to open it. Is it nice or not? So wait for a moment. So good morning everyone. I want to show you my giveaway for this coming vacation in 2025 in Philippines. So I buy some souvenir items that I'm going to give away for some other friends and relatives in the Philippines. So this is it guys. I buy 5 t-shirts that have print that I love Hong Kong or Hong Kong. So I choose 3 colors. This is it, the black, that the size is XXL. I choose bigger size, so make sure that it can fit to the people that I want to give away. So this is it guys. The print is Hong Kong. So this is it. This is the size I choose, XXL, and the design. So this is it, the other one, and then XXL also, black size. So as you can see, the print is so simple and then nice. So I choose this one. This is the 2 design of black, and then this is it, the other one. The size is XXL also, pink color, and then have print that Hong Kong. But mostly the most
same pattern and the same design of this one, so I'll not open it now. So